I wanted to make a quick video here of the exhaust on the 5.3 swapped truck here. And I want to change this exhaust, so I'll give you a listen to what I got, going on now, and then kind of just want some ideas, what to do with it next. So right off the bat, this is all, oh jeez, that'd be great if I could see. This is stock manifolds. They just kind of, hack some stuff together so I could bring some 2.5-inch pipe down. And it's a true dual setup, so 2.5-inch pipe all the way back. And those are generic super 10s or whatever, the flowmasters. Yeah, that's what those are. So there is definitely not any high quality stuff or good exhaust work here, because a lot of this pipe was not even bent. I just kind of cut it and just threw it all together, and that's that. So while you listen, hopefully we can get a better idea of what I'm going to do with it next. This is just a cold start. Okay, the truck is up to temperature now, so now you can hear normal idle, and you also hear the reason once I rev it why I don't like the exhaust setup. It's got like a, I don't know what they call it, the raspiness at the end. So let me know if your ideas want to make this setup, maybe a little more aggressive. But yeah, once again, this is it's a stock 5.3, no cam, no headers. So it's just all bare bones. Just set up as a true dual exhaust with 2.5-inch pipe and super 10 generic flowmasters, and turn downs right after those mufflers, and that's it.